Hey, what's up? This is Norris. Welcome back to my style channel. Today I'm going to show you my top 5 boot picks for the fall and winter. First, I'm going to show you one of the boots I had the longest. So this boot right here, I purchased maybe like 3 or 4 years ago. I actually honestly forgot I had them. And I love the dark brown color of them. And they look really, really good with jeans. Dark jeans, light jeans, they give a real casual look. So this right here is 100% casual. I probably could dress them up with slacks and maybe a sweater or something, but I enjoy them the most with denims. I actually got these from Aldo, and they weren't that expensive either. So those my number one. Next, I'm gonna show you a wingtip brogue boot. This right here is a very classic shoe. The wingtip, the little details that's in it, and I honestly always dress these up. I wear them with slacks. I put a shirt and tie on with it and a jacket. I wear them with suits, but these also can be dressed down with chino pants, jeans. So this one right here, you get a lot of wear of it, and I've had these for so long. This might be the oldest pair of boots I have. I got these from London when I was visiting, and the brand is Oliver Sweeney. So if you ever get a chance to check out Oliver Sweeney, it's a very well-made shoe, and they pretty much last forever. So that was my number 2. My number 3 boot, well, actually the next 3 pair of boots will be Chelsea boots. So I'm gonna start with my oldest one. So this one right here I got from Topman. Is a tan suede boot. There's no laces or anything or no straps. You just slide them in. There's elastic on both sides just so you can get your foot in. And I love the detail of the silver ring on the side, on both sides. This is a really, really, really dope shoe. Chelsea boots are really cool. It gives you that swag. They look really good with skinny jeans. And I just recently wore these with some slacks for the first time, and they came out really good. So I think I'm gonna do a lot more of that. Some real nice tapered slacks. Just depends on the color. I also love the wooden sole that it has, and it just gives you an overall clean and dope look. I mostly only wear these with denim jeans, but I'm gonna start wearing more slacks with them. Not so much a full-on suit, depending on the color and the style of it. So I'm gonna get a lot more wear out of these this season. So be on the lookout for these, and I would recommend you get you a pair of Chelsea boots. So my next one is tan as well, but it's a little darker. As you can see, it's like a little darker shade than these. And I really, really love these shoes. These might be my most comfortable boots. The brand is Sutro. I got them from a spot on Melrose. I think it was called Anthem. So I'm not sure if they have them anymore, but I really enjoy the wooden sole that these has too. So the straps that it has on them and the buckle is a really cool detail. But I actually wear my jeans over these. Once you strap them up, it makes them really tight on your ankle, so your jeans can fall right onto them. And that's probably one of the dopest looks that you can get when you wear your denim jeans over your Chelsea boots. And I really do enjoy these, and I'm going to be rocking these a lot more this season too. Last but not least, I really wanted to find a pair of black boots. When I did find a pair, it wasn't the right style. So once I found these, I fell in love with them. This is a all black suede, and the sole is black, and also the elastic. It's very rare that you find a black boot that doesn't have a brown wooden sole and some kind of color in the elastic. But this right here is triple black, and they look very slick and chic when I rock them. I just wore them for the first time on the blog in the all black OOTD, so you can definitely check that out. And they're very comfortable too. I picked them up from a guy named Tony K, which is located on Melrose. I didn't think I was gonna find anything in there I liked, but when I walked in, I saw these, I tried them on, and they just worked. So these are my top 5 boot picks for the fall and winter months. Some of them are a couple of years old, and I just bought the black ones literally like last week. So You find a good boot, you can have them for years if you take care of them, and also if you find a really good, well-made brand. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you when you go out shopping for your boots this season. Remember to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Remember to like and follow me on Instagram at Norris Dancer Ford. Until next time, see you next week.